Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be taking a look at our two-bedroom model, which comes in at 1,041 square feet. It's located on the first floor. As you come in, you can notice stainless steel GE appliances. You still got your two-toned European-style cabinetry, vinyl plank flooring. Got your washer and dryer back here. Nice sized living area. Let's take a look out the balcony. Great view of the courtyard, pool right in the middle. Take a look at the master bedroom first. Nice size bedroom, king size bed. Got your walk-in closet in here. Master bath. Got two sinks for his and hers. Take a look at the guest bedroom or second bedroom. Nice sized bedroom. Walk-in closet as well. And yeah, some shelves for extra storage, decorations. Last but not least, you got your guest bathroom. All right, guys, if you guys love what you see, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you guys take care.